Welcome back for another video. Today we have the pink stickers for James. If you remember this model engine, I made it a few weeks ago. So now if you have one of these James from Hitoi Company or Mattel or Tomy, the old Trackmaster, you can turn that James into a pink James or tickle pink James. Actually, if you wanna see how I paint or the process how I made this, something like this, you can watch the link right over here, right on the top, right here. So now if you want to turn your old engine, you need the paint and the stickers. So the stickers are available, the link below. If you don't find the link below, you can go on my Facebook page and probably you can find it there. Now I do not have for international buyers. If you wanna buy it from out of US, send me a message on Facebook. Now if you see the link below for these stickers, that means it's available. If you don't see it, then you gotta contact me on Facebook. Now I used to sell this model engine for $75 plus taxes. That's right, $75. Now but you can do it at home. You don't need to buy it from me or from somebody else's. The only thing you gotta do is buy the stickers. These engines are really cheap. They are not actually expensive. If you have one of these already at home, you can paint it, or you can buy it for maybe $10 or $15 and then get the stickers, and probably you're gonna spend $20 if you don't have it, and you can turn this James into model engine, a tickle pink James. That's you can call it art if you want. You can do it on a weekend with your, if you're an adult, if you're a parent, you can do it with your kid. If you're a kid, you can tell your parents to help you do this model engine. It's not really complicated, but for me it's not. It takes only probably, for me it only took me like 4 hours to make it. The only thing you gotta wait is to the paint to dry, because you gotta let it dry, because this one is, I think it's gloss or semi-gloss paint, and you need to let it dry for 4 to 6 hours or maybe 12 hours to make sure it's completely dry, and you won't have will not have any problems to do the repainting and reassemble. But yeah, like I say, you can get this on the link below, or if you don't find it on, you can find it on my Facebook page. Now if you are international buyer, I recommend you to send me a message on Facebook, but you can check the price. These stickers are on the link below or on my Facebook page, and you're gonna save a lot of money. Instead of buying it, you can do it at home. You can make this at home and follow the steps or the example I made on YouTube. You can find on my channel Tickle Pink James, and here I added 4 little windows in case you messed up one of these. Right here you can see 1, 2 windows, but I added 4 just in case, and these 2 stickers for the tender. I also put, I think I showed on the video what color paint I use, but you can take this to your hardware store and compare with your with the sticker. This is not the right one, but you can, just check the color, so that way the closest color you can match with your the sticker with your spray paint. So anyways, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching all my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.